As you can see, I'm always trying new headphones, and I think I finally found the ones that I like. In today's review, I'm going to be checking out the new Treblab Z7 Pro Headphones. But before I get to that, my name is Ken and welcome to Dad's Den Tech Reviews, where our goal is to help you work smarter, not harder. Do you find yourself just like me being one of those techie guys where you just, a new thing comes out and you want to buy it, you want to try it to see if it's better than the last thing, and then the next thing you know, you've got 15 pair of headphones? Well, that's me. I'm constantly trying to upgrade, get better. In this video, I'm going to tell you why I'm going to the Z7 Pro headphones, moving from my Treblab Z2s and my Skull Candy headphones. And these, I don't even remember where I got these. They're okay. These Skull Candy H2s were my go-tos. They're worn out. You can see the, the soft padding and all that stuff's getting worn out. Great headphones, by the way. I absolutely love these things. But I'm going to tell you why these Z Pros are just to die for. I mean, these things are so nice, and I'm going to just start with the design and features. They arrive in a nice package. It comes with a carrying case with foam inside to keep them protected. Of course, it comes with their charging cables and your headphone connection cable. One thing you're going to notice right off the bat is how comfortable and soft these things are. It's almost like putting pillows on your ears. Yes, that sounds weird, but they are so soft and so gentle. Oh boy, they're just noise cancellation. I just felt it. They're just so soft and so comfortable. I love these things, from the top padding up here all the way to the ears. While being soft, very durable here, guys. You can just toss these things around. I wouldn't recommend it. You don't want to toss things around, but I like that you can rotate the ears. You can fold these down. There's a lot of different things you can do with these to make them comfortable on your head. We all have different heads. I got a big head, so I got to make mine like really long, really big for my big head, but you get the idea. Here's your charging port. Here's your headphone jack, and here are your control buttons. And one really fancy feature is on the side. It is a touch controls, and you can't even see, there's no like design. It's just straight up inside this. It's super cool. I know some people like the logos all over their headphones. Look, I spent a lot of money. I got Beats or I got whatever else. I enjoy the fact that this is so simple and so clean. There's just a little Treblab at the top. That's all. But the side has controls. There's no logos, there's nothing else here. It's actually one touch controls right here built in to the side right here. One thing that blew my mind is the on-ear detection. So if you're listening to music, you got your headphones on, you're whatever, you take them off, it recognizes that you've taken these off of your head and the music will pause. They say it has up to 45 hours of playtime, which is a lot. That's more than a day. I mean, I don't know why you would need that, but hey, if you forget to charge it, no worries, you should be good. It does come with the built-in voice assistant. So if you want to use that, you can set that up and you can just, hey, stop the music or whatever else you want to do. You can even select your music or make phone calls if you want. So the signal range for the Bluetooth goes up to about 33 feet. Anytime you get to that 33 feet area, you just got to be careful. You're probably gonna like in and out a little bit, but overall these things did great. I was out there, I actually mowed my lawn in these things, which is dumb because they're so nice. I shouldn't be doing that, but anyway, I did, and it worked just fine. What's also really cool about this is it has multi-point connection, meaning you can go from one Bluetooth device to another. So if I'm here in my office and I'm connected to my computer, I could go take my phone and leave, and it would do an auto detection for my phone as we're moving, as we leave. So you can actually just leave this section, go to that, so you're good to go. The hardest part of doing a headphone review is the sound. You guys can't hear what I hear comparing this headphone to another or anything like that, right? So you're just gonna have to rely on what I'm telling you and what I'm feeling and hearing with these headphones. I think the best way to do that is just for me to describe the sound from the H2 Skull Candies to the Treblab Z7 Pros. Skull Candy H2s, very comfortable, nice headphones. Sound wise, these are excellent headphones. If you're looking for headphones, you're going to be fine with these. These are great. However, once I put these on, I did recognize the difference. These sounded so much more professional. You get those deep basses, but you also get those beautiful sounding trebles and those mid-tones. I think where the Z7 Pros basically knock these out of the water is the bass and the mid-tones. The Z7 Pros just sounds so beautiful. It sounds so good in your ear. It's calming. It's nice. You don't get any extra treble. You don't get any extra, bass. It's just It's just right across the board, just a beautiful sounding headphones, which I really enjoy. And while I always thought my other headphones were so comfortable and I'm like, man, I could wear these forever, right? The Z7 Pros are even more comfortable. When you're talking about wanting to listen to music for a long time, or like somebody like me who I'm constantly editing videos, this is what I do for a living. I edit videos, so I have these headphones on all day long. I don't want my ears and around my ears to hurt. I need comfort. Okay, plain and simple, I need comfort, and these are providing them for me. When it comes to the sound of this, I'm gonna give you some of the specs on here just because it's gonna help you. It's paired with a Qualcomm aptX HD chipset and a 40 millimeter driver for incredible stereo sound is how they describe this. One added bonus, it is water resistant. Now, that doesn't mean we're jumping in swimming pools or things like that, but if you're on a run and starts sprinkling and things like that, you don't need to worry, you'll be just fine. Last thing I wanna mention is they say it has 6 built-in microphones. I'm looking here and I see a few. I got 1, 2, I got 3. Oh, there it is. 4. Let's see where the other one is. 5, 6. I found them. At first I was like, I don't see 6 built-in microphones. There are actually 6 built-in microphones here. That is quite incredible. So if you're making phone calls with your headphones on, I think you're going to be just fine. The last thing I want to talk about is the ANC, the active noise cancellation on these headphones, which are incredible. Once you make that switch, you will feel it like everything has disappeared. It's actually really fun. I actually will take this to other people and be like, hey, try this. So I put the headphones on without the ANC on. Okay, talk a little bit. They're like, oh man, that's really quiet. And then I turn on the ANC and they're like, oh my gosh, where did all the sound go? And it's fun. It's actually pretty fun. Let's talk about pricing. This is currently selling on Amazon for, oh wow, they are on a discount right now, guys. They're normally $159.97. They're currently on sale for $119.97. So go get yours now. Wow, that's a $40 saving. Not bad at all. Would I pay $159 for these? Yes, these are excellent headphones. These are pro headphones. These are top-notch headphones. You will not be disappointed with these. These are great. And for $119, that's a steal. So I would go get yours right now. Link is down in the description. All you have to do is click that link, you go purchase it. Or if you just want to learn more about the headphones, click that link, check it out, and you can learn more about it. And if you're one of those people who like to look at reviews, they have 97 reviews of these headphones online from their Treblab store, and it's a 4 out of 5 stars. I would give these a 4.5 out of 5 stars. I can never really give a 5 out of 5 because there's always room for improvement, right? It's got to be something you can improve on. But anyway, 4.5 out of 5 for me. Go check them out. Link is down in the description. Let's get to the part in the video where I tell you whether or not it gets a dad's stamp of approval, and absolutely yes, boom. If you like this video, please subscribe. And until next time, work smarter, not harder.